Hey everyone, welcome to Vela's channel. Today I'll show you how to change Duolingo's interface language. First, click the flag in the top left corner, then click Add a Course, like this. Here, look for a course in your language. For example, Ukrainian speakers will see Ukrainian, English speakers will see English. There, if you can't find your language, click More. Here you can choose your preferred language. Let's say I want to switch to German, okay? I'm searching for German courses here. Here they are. I'll pick German courses for English speakers and click Continue. Now we can switch to German or French. Where is it? Here's French. I'll pick any language I'm learning, click Next, and switch to French. That's it. This was Vela. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best, good luck, and goodbye.